Your attention please. Train number 16204 Tirupati Canton Central Garuda Queen Express will arrive shortly on platform number 1.
Today we are going to see about first passenger locomotive, the VAP-1. VAP-1 is first dedicated passenger locomotive for Indian Railways. This locomotive is a AC traction locomotive. VAP-1 is developed by Chittaranjan Locomotive Works in 1980s, which is located in West Bengal. 65 VAP-1 were built in period of 1980 to 1996. VAP-1 hold all types of trains. A capable loco to hold 16 to 19 coach train. This loco is mainly introduced for Rajdhani and Shatabdi Express. VAP-1's maximum speed is 130 km per hour. 5 prototype locomotives of this class were ordered from CLW Shed to design of RDSO. The first prototype locomotive was put in service in 1981. They were first used on Howrah Rajdhani Express. Now let's see what is prototype locomotive. Prototype loco means the locomotive is under testing and this loco were used for analysis to check performance. VAP-1 is based on VAM4 but changes in gear ratio to make suitable loco for passenger service because VAM4 is used for mixed purpose and VAP-1 is first loco with aerodynamic profile. VAP-1 is powered by 6-axle and no suspended foam, ventilated type DC traction motors. Speed controls is achieved by grouping in 2S and 3P combinations. And by field weakening of the motor, it utilizes the silicon rectifier for conversion of AC power into DC power. VAP-1 are converted to make suitable for multiple operation. Compressed air brakes for locomotive and vacuum brakes for train are provided. The brake system is being modified to make them suitable for dual brakes. The VAP-3 is upgraded model of VAP-1 with better top speed. The first VAP-1 22005 locomotive is converted into VAP-3 named Jawahar and 8 more VAP-1 were converted, but this class is not a great successor and had performance issue and those were converted back into VAP-1. But many VAP-1 were converted into VAP-4. Alstom traction motor were used in VAP-1. Now this traction motor is used also in VAP-12. VAP-1 Saptagiri livery, which is mainly introduced for Saptagiri Express, a train which runs between Chennai Central and Tirupati. The first HOG conventional loco. Two 2005 VAP-1 Jawahar. Due to aging issues, VAP-1s are slowly withdrawn from mainline duties and some are scrapped. I think in next few years we will lose this locomotive and being a memory with us. Thanks for watching.